This is heaven on earth, a delicious delicacy by our standard that you need to try in Ghana.
Yeah, so this is the Ghanaian part of it, making sure that we have oil enough to spread on top. And amazing. So the beans, everything comes inside like that. And this is a local food over here, Aprapransa.
Hello brothers, sisters, you're Kodo. So I'm Suyane, and today's video is about one ancient recipe that we have in Ghana. This food is so popular that every tribe in Ghana has their own method or own way to prepare it. This delicacy is called Aprapransa. So Aprapransa is a complete meal, not a food that's commonly found on the streets of Ghana or is being prepared every day at home. It's usually served by a Akans tribe on special occasions such as marriage ceremony, naming ceremony, birthday celebration, family cookout, etc. The meaning of the name Aprapransa basically means wipe your hands to eat. So easy and simple. And also the main ingredient to prepare this delicacy is roasted corn flour, which is tom brown, and palm nut soup. Some tribes also use stew to prepare this recipe. Another ingredient can be beans, tomatoes, onion, pepper, ginger, garlic to prepare your soup. And you need to feature in some seafood, which is dry smoked fish, dry fish itself, salted fish or crab. You can't do Aprapransa without crab or dry smoked fish, especially herrings. So let's go to the market, get our ingredients, and prepare these top delicacies that we have in Ghana. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Please share, it's really important, and let's showcase our food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. And I believe after watching, you'll be able to do your own Aprapransa at home. Or Kodo. That's so jamming. Oh, jamming. Yeah, I'm here. Hey, grazie. A presto, Stiamo bene. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. So we are buying palm nut fruit, we are buying turkey berries, onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, dry smoked fish, which is mackerel and herring, salted fish, which is supaku, roasted corn flour, and red beans. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for today's recipe. So we start by washing our palm nut fruit, and I also add our turkey berries and pepper to it, then boil everything together because that's what we'll be needing to start the whole basements of the soup. And this kind of soup is also called Banga Soup in Nigeria. Yeah, so we're about to do our palm nut soup here. I've been crying for the Aprapransa. So one of the top delicacy food in the Akans tribe. Okay. Aprapransa, and you need Abenkwan to do it, and this is the basic and the starting foundation of the palm nut soup. Okay, so about to pound this. So after boiling, just sieve it, then you put everything inside the mortar and like that. It is what it is. So peeling off the skin, and we'll be grinding our ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, and turkey berries. Yeah. We grind everything together. Madam, only the conversation. About to grind it. So we start the palm nut soup, and we have our washed herring and catfish over here, like that. So about to what do you call it? Take out the fruits or the liquid from it. Okay, so you need hot water to dilute this. Okay, so that's hot water to dilute it. We also have some inside here to wash inside the mortar. Feel that groove now.
So we start our sieving and we now add our blended tomato, pepper, garlic, onion, everything together inside the pot, okay? Grinded, yeah, grinded, blended. They're still blended at the end. So now we have our pot on fire, and this is the starting of the soup. As you can see, the boiling is taking place. So we're doing the second sieving, making sure that we have our smooth banga soup. So the Aprapransa, we're having some red beans inside, and this is the red beans. I record them. Red beans, yeah. So making sure that all the unwanted particles taking out the stones and everything, so that I don't bite stone when eating the Aprapransa. You need to have some amazing smooth Aprapransa, and the transition must be clean. Yeah, you be down, other touching, you be down, other you food. Okay, so we're taking the tomatoes out, and very soon the palm nuts, the juice will come. Okay. So now it goes in like that. So this soup, as I said, basically is for Aprapransa. That's why there's no much meat and fish inside. Okay, so we're about to grind our tomatoes for the soup. Okay, the tomatoes goes inside like that. Yeah, so our palm nut soup on fire. So we're about to add our beans to the boiling water. Okay. So the Aprapransa, we need these beans inside anyway. Yeah, so we have our soup. As you can see, we have the oil coming on the surface, meaning the soup is on the right course. Anyway, very soon everything will be okay. Then we fetch some, we'll do the Aprapransa. So to make the beans very fast, we're adding some slice of onions to it. This helps cook the beans fast. Or if you don't have onion, you can use bicarbonate, which is kanwa. Also, remember never to add salt to your beans. If not, bother. So the soup is now ready, and I'll take it off the oil. Okay, take it off the oil, and some of the soup will be used to stir the cornmeal, okay, or roasted cornmeal or corn flour. Okay, so you need roasted corn flour to do, and this is our roasted corn flour, as you can see. Okay, so we only need the soup without the fish or any meat. Okay, so the beans come inside like that. So now you stir it like stir bionkuno. Yeah. Aprapransa. So we have our boiling soup over here, and we're using the palm oil also to do some small chichos, so that will come on top of the Aprapransa. This is optional, you can just do it or not. Okay, so now our roasted corn flour comes in like that, like making Kpekpele or Bantu, yeah, or like Kukunte. So you have to be fast so that it doesn't create any lumps inside. So it's all about stirring, stir. The optional stew is going on, and we just added the whole meal to the palm oil. Add our tomatoes to it. So we're now adding some of the soup to it again to make it soft. If not, when it gets dry, it's not very hard. So after stirring, we have our Aprapransa. Okay, so we're dishing inside this etimwe bowl and we'll sit down and eat together. Okay, so basically Aprapransa, you don't have to make it hard on fire. If not, when it gets dry, it is very hard. Okay, so soft over here. So as you see, Aprapransa. What told me that one? What told me that? No, it's insane.
I'm told me that.
No, it's insane.
I'm at 2 cities, 7 cities, 5 cities.
Okay.
Come up and cut off.
Yeah, so this is the Ghanaian part of it. Making sure that we have oil enough to spread on top. And amazing. So the beans, everything comes inside like that. And this is a local food over here, Aprapransa. Yeah, so we're done with our Aprapransa, and man, as you can see, amazing recipe over here. You need to do the palm nut soup first before the roasted corn comes inside. Man, amazingly, beans, everything. Without dancing, some amazing, authentic local food from Ghana. You take a bite. Yeah, hot. I'll be careful. This is the kind of food you have to be eating. Kind of food has to be eaten. Let down. Very authentic Aprapransa from Sunyani. So delicious. Man, I'm enjoying myself over here in Sunyani. Man, some amazing Aprapransa. This woman did it. If you want to make an order, you want correct Aprapransa, go ahead. What's your introduction?
Authentic mama.
Yeah, I'm a Aprapransa. Hafu kukum. Ananum, and then yes, I bay for Adrian. You are more dear woman, a bini Adrian be see a papa. Any dinner,
K-Trawan.
Oh, Codo. Stab Yabi.
Yeah,
Lele.
Almost told you, Master told me. I'm a phone. I need to Emmy if you don't. Where they are, say almost say, I'm saying, and the football style. You don't be the one so dear to idea. And I will move here. I beg for a journey. I will come for more journey and a talk. Papa, yes, she be in the Bible. You know, Kpekpele ayade. You know, Kpekpele did abonade so.
I didn't do that.
Wow. If this is the first time watching, can you subscribe? Tell a friend, tell a brother. Man, Sunday afternoon, ongoing, Aprapransa. Anyway. Wow. Yes, I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. And I hope you can follow the steps and the procedures so that I can also do your Aprapransa at home. Let's do this again. For Shazam Manese, we will Sindaco, man. Look at food only. Discovering. I'm out. One.
We out.